I'm Sonia, this is my husband Chris, and we have been with TopSnap for 3 years in the Bayside, Waverly and Croydon territories.
Sonia and I did have some business experience before buying into TopSnap. I come from a photography and customer service background. My passion for real estate visuals comes from a love of travel and also photographing buildings and the built environment. I still own my old film cameras and get great joy out of using them, and I bring this passion into my day-to-day. So we try to be a one-stop shop and supply all marketing collateral needed by real estate agencies.
Our clients really love the fact that they can have one appointment and have all the different formats of marketing materials covered.
And we have a range of products specifically for rental customers and also for sales customers. For further information, I highly recommend you jump onto the TopSnap website and have a look for yourself.